So primarily we want to help companies innovate. We want to help aid understanding of products and processes, whether that be assessing failure or assessing things in the design stage. That's where we can help companies save the most money and make the best design decisions. So in April 2023 we acquired GRM. They're a consulting business down in Leamington Spa that really fills some gaps in our portfolio. They've got some great non-linear dynamic capabilities, particularly in composites is a really strong area for them, which historically isn't something we've done. We've done consultancy simulation services for a long period of time, but we haven't necessarily done a huge amount in that arena, particularly in crash analysis for composites. They're experts in that area, which is great to have on board.
It's very exciting. It brings a whole new level of capability, a whole extra access to that wide portfolio that's available to us. It'll give us more to support our customers with, and customers are going to see, I hope, better throughput and more capability, more capacity, yeah, we're very excited by the future. A lot of software. We've probably got too much. I mean, an merger brings us access to new technologies. We've got, non-linear, contact, fatigue, modal, force frequency. We've got all these things. But the most important bit is that for the customers, we select the right bit, the right technology, and it gives them access to all the latest techniques.
So our simulation services could probably be put into three categories. The first one would be our consultancy service, where we offer consultancy as little or as much as the customer wants, whether that be FEA, the modelling, laser scanning, or even peer review. The second category is our knowledge sharing services, where we will help perhaps an infrequent user of FEA, maybe with a more complex model, or maybe an FEA user branching into CFD, and they just need to upskill on that part of the package. So we might help them there. Our third offering would be what I call our proof of concept and research work. So whether that be looking at a new part of physics, so coupling perhaps FEA and CFD together is a really common one, or it might be reviewing something from an engineering perspective. Is this possible? Is this product a good idea? Is a really common one. Or perhaps maybe it'll be a physical test. Someone might be lacking the material data to actually simulate something, so we can help with that.
You would use the professional services because we are turn on and offable. You activate us when you need us. You then turn us off when you don't. You take away the answers, the solutions, the reports, maybe the models, the design guidance, and then you go to production and you sell your products. And then maybe 6 to 12 months later you come back because there's a new product, something new to market that you want us to support you with, and we're ready to engage again. So initially we work with the customer to break the problem down into a series of steps and gateways. I'm quite a fan of plan, do, check, act. So we put the plan together, we implement the technologies, selecting the right ones to solve a problem, and then we work out where we are, and we might have to adapt in the process. But then at the end of the day, the customer gets the reports, they get the models back, and they get the solutions to their problems. In terms of getting started, we really pride ourselves in responding quickly. The team are focused on delivery, and you also understand the customer can sometimes be in trouble. They might have product has gone out of the door, it's about to go out of the door. So you kind of balance each individual's needs. But we do pride ourselves in really responding quickly and getting going on a problem and finding solutions as fast as possible. And I think it's really important. You can spend months getting the perfect model built, the most accurate model, but actually if you can get guidance within days, that's far more valuable to the customer, the guidance over the accuracy at times. So we play those. Some people want accuracy, but some people need guidance, and it's balancing those two.
So the best way to get a quote from us is to just reach out to your account manager or the simulation team directly. We'll usually set up a virtual call and go through your model or the problem and really try and understand and see how we can help you.